Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apple HomeKit Secure Video on iPhone step by step clearly. To install Apple HomeKit Secure Video on your iPhone, begin by unlocking your iPhone and navigating to the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type in Home in the search bar and press Enter. Look for the Apple Home app in the search results and tap on it. If the app is not already installed, tap the download button to install it. Once the download is complete, open the Home app from your home screen. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID and password. After signing in, you may need to grant the app permissions to access your camera and locations. Now, ensure your camera supports HomeKit Secure Video. Refer to Apple's list of compatible cameras for this information. Next, set up your camera according to the manufacturer's instructions. After your camera is set up, return to the Home app. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add accessories. Select Add Accessory from the drop-down menu. The app will search for your compatible camera. Once your camera appears, tap on it to initiate the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may need to scan a HomeKit code provided with your camera. Once paired, you can customize your camera settings. This includes configuring recording options and notifications. To enable secure video, go to the camera settings in the Home app. Select the option for HomeKit Secure Video. Turn on the feature by toggling the switch. You can choose to store recordings in iCloud depending on your storage plan. After configuring all your settings, exit the Settings menu. Your HomeKit Secure Video is now set up and ready to use. You can view live feeds and recorded footage directly from the Home app. Enjoy the added security and peace of mind that comes with Apple HomeKit Secure Video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.